Hey y'all, it's Pam. I am giving the Dracaenas a little bit of TLC today. They just kind of get ignored because you can ignore them. So I was checking them for some bugs because one of their neighbors had some unwanted visitors. So while I was at it, I realized I hadn't done much with them in a very long time. So let's give them some TLC. Here's what I'm gonna do. Oh God. Not get insecticide in my eye would be helpful. All right, let's start by going to get them. These are Dracaenas. I don't know what kind. I don't care. I don't know. They all look the same, right? I mean, one of these is, I don't know. This one's named Cutie because my son named him Cutie, so that's all I care about. What I do know is that I have had these for a long time now, and when I got them, they were all about, well, they were probably about this size. And now we are at this size. And this size. And what's gonna happen next is they're gonna start growing up. Some of this lower stuff's gonna start dying, and they're eventually gonna look like, you know, the trees that you see. But for now, I'm kind of just into this mess because it's awesome. And you literally can just ignore these. They don't like tap, that's their only downfall. They give them brown tips incredibly fast. I've noticed, like, any tap I've used anyway. But mine, I'm on the West Coast and it's always treated with a little bit of stuff, so. So I'm just gonna spray these down really well with, I'm gonna visually check them all for bugs. And then I'm gonna spray everything down. Let that sit a few minutes, and then I'm gonna hose it off. But I'm going to do my best not to get the hose water into the soil itself because, like I said, it makes them mad. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them off really well, and then I'm gonna follow that up with watering them with rainwater. Divas. Bougie divas. You will go through as much bug spray as I do because it's ridiculous. If somebody wants to sponsor me, that'd be, my DMs are open. If you're asking if I should be wearing gloves, I probably. Mac, you're in the background, buddy. Oh, hey. the bougie water you ordered. Okay, and now I am just gonna give them a little bit of extra sun today, which just means I'm gonna put them on the covered porch and let them be outside. Okay, they will be out of the sun. They are completely covered. It's not going to be incredibly hot today. So I'm just going to leave them out for a few hours this morning and then I'll bring them back in. But it's a nice thing to do since I forget about them all the time, so why not? I'm going to try to do this with more of my plants. I owe them that. I talk a lot of shit about them. I'll see y'all later.